Our next topic is analysis of selections. That means a bubble sort. The bubble sorting algorithm is to compare the adjacent element of the list and exchange them uh, if they are out of order. By doing a repeatedly, we end up bubbling up the largest element to the last position on the list. The next pass bubbles up the second largest element and so on until after the n minus 1 passes the list is sorted past I of 0 less than or I less than or n minus 2 of bubble sort can be represented by the following A0, comma AJ of AJ plus 1 up to A of A base n minus I minus 1 into A n A base n minus I less than or up to less than or A of n minus base n minus 1. If the algorithm of bubble sort into A of 0 comma n minus 1, the problem description of the shortest a given array in the bubble sort. If an input array of a of 0 comma n minus 1 of orderable element, the output of array a of 0 comma n minus 1 is the sorted in non-decreasing order for I tends to 0 to n minus 2 do minimum tends to I, for j tends to I plus 1 to n minus 1 do if a of j less than a of minimum into minimum tends to j. The swap a of I and a of n minimum. The number of key comparison for the bubble sort version given above the same of all array of size of n. It obtained by the sum that almost in identical to the sum of selection. C of n is equal to summation I equal to 0 n minus 2 summation base j equal to I plus 1 power n minus 2 minus 1 into 1 is equal to summation I equal to 0 power n minus 2 into n minus 2 minus I into minus 0 plus 1, that is equal to summation I equal to 0 power n minus 2 into n minus 1 minus I is equal to n minus 1 into n divided by 2. The number of key swap, however, depend on the input. In the worst case of decreasing arrays, it is the same as the number of key comparisons. The C worst of n epsilon big O of n square. The next one is a string matching by the brute force. A string of m characters to search for the text, a longer string of n characters to search in problem to find the substring in text that the matches pattern. The brute force can text LR compare the characters looking for the pattern. The step 1 align the pattern at beginning of text. The step 2 moving from left to right. The compare the each character of pattern to the corresponding character in text until. That means the all characters are to be found the match or successful search or a mismatch is detected. The step 3 is in while pattern is not found and the text is not yet exhausted, the religion pattern one position to the right and repeated step 2.